Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to see remaining space in Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. Using a cloud storage service like Google Drive has plenty of advantages, such as easier file sharing and having a remote location to back up your files. When compared to competitors like Dropbox and Apple's iCloud service, Google Drive's popularity is built on useful collaborative tools and built-in integrations with Google's suite of products and services. If you have a Google account, you already have 15 gigabytes of free storage on Google Drive. Google Drive to upload and access files on any device, to all the tools that make collaboration with others a breeze. Think of Google Drive as a latter-day hard drive. Google Drive gives you the power to upload and save a range of file types, documents, photos, audio, and videos to Google servers, or the cloud. Drive can serve as a backup solution, or as a way to free up space on your device. To understand why Google Drive is so popular, it's important to note that it's built to work seamlessly with Google. One of Drive's best features is its integration with Google's Office suite of cloud-native apps, which, if you have experience with Microsoft Office, will look familiar. Most users will gravitate to these programs, which include Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more. Not only do they let you create and edit documents, they're also equipped with intuitive tools that allow for real-time collaboration. Google Drive works with an integrated suite of apps powered by Google. This is how you can do it. Go through your phone to find the Google Drive application, then press on it. Look in the top left corner and press on the 3 bars you will be seeing. You should be able to see where it's written storage, and you are going to press on it on the new interface. You are now seeing the amount of storage you are reaming with. You can even choose to upgrade your storage if you think your storage is not enough for you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.